everyone, this is Heather from HeatherBCo. I wanted to do an unboxing of the latest Simply Gilded sub box. This one is called Luminous Library. It is in light gold foil, and rather than coming in a box this month, it came in this pretty bag. It's a drawstring bag. It's kind of like a canvas bag. It's got this pretty ribbon, pink ribbon up here, and so to open it, you just untie the bow and then go ahead and everything's in here. And like I said, it's Luminous Library this month. So this is the bag. The back has nothing on it, but like I said, it does have this pretty drawstring right here. So let's go ahead and get started into the box. So I will be spoiling the mystery item at the end of the video. If you are not interested in being spoiled, please click out. I will give you plenty of time to click out if you don't want to see it, but just kind of a warning, I will be spoiling the mystery item at the end of the video. So when you pull it out of the bag, I have already pulled it out. I pulled out the mystery item, and I also pulled out the washi so that I could swatch it, because I like to show it swatched as well. So this is what it looks like when you pull it out of the bag. You've got this nice pouch right here, and then you've got this cute little folder with all of the goodies inside of it. So let's go ahead and pull this out, because I'm pretty sure, yes, that's where the menu card is. So let's kind of just start by going down the menu card. So here is your card, and the first item on it is the foil journaling card, and here is the journaling card. Very neutral, very pretty. If you are a reader, I would think that this sub box would be right up your alley. So there you go with the foiled in light gold journaling card. The next item are the washi tapes. So when you get your box, the washi tapes are going to be inside of here. And I'm going to go into more detail on the bag once we get to that on the list. So here's all the washi. Let me take this little thing out right here. And of course, it comes in this cute little resealable bag right here. These are great to repurpose for other things. It's got the gold, and it's got like this, I guess the flourishes and the hearts on it. Okay, so the washi that came in the kit, let's see. This is what comes in the kit if you get the regular washi subscription, whether it be just the washi or the whole entire kit. This is the washi. And then if you get the 5mm add-on, this is the add-on. You get the 4 5mm washi. They're all in a light gold. So let's go through them real quick. All right, so the first one we have is this pretty floral flourish. It's kind of a dusty blue with light gold foiling. And then you have this one, which is perforated, and it's got the different titles on top: urgent, to do, to buy, important, I think goals. I think there's a couple more too. Here are the bows, a very nice neutral color. I find that they do tend to look a little like a light yellow to me. Like, I don't know, it just seems like it's got a little bit of a yellow tint. But it's a very nice, just neutral color with gold bows and gold dots. And you also get the 15 and the 10mm. You get this one, which is the same pattern as the card. And I think I have it upside down. I do. There you go. So you can see the bows. Yeah, let's see. There, you see the bow at the bottom right there. So this is basically the same pattern as the journaling card. Then you have this book washi that is really pretty. This would be really pretty if you were doing a spread, like whether it be a bullet journal or just any regular spread on books that you read throughout the year. I know a lot of people keep track of that. So this would be a nice addition to that page to kind of decorate it a little bit. And then the last one is this nice perforated kind of flourish type divider 5mm. And then we go to the 5mm sub, and here you have the color block with the blue, and then you have the rose and heart vine. This actually has like a coppery gold foil, and then you have the hearts, and then you also have the stars, and I forgot what this one's called, but it's got like little stars and twinkles and things like that. So when you put all the washi together, I'll show you the whole shebang and how it kind of ties into each other. And here is the 5mm. Okay, so there you go with all of the washi that comes in the sub this month. And I'm going to go ahead and show everything swatched out, because sometimes they do look a tad bit different once they are swatched. So I always try to do that. Let's see, let's open my little swatch book, and it should, there we go. Okay, so here we have the bows. Oh, I didn't get that one on too good. The bows, here are your headers, the blue. You've got this other perforated. Here are the books. Here's the same pattern as the journaling card. And here you have your 5mm. So let me just kind of go up and show you some close-ups of it. And there you go. I'm trying to get to where you can see all of the foil colors. Yeah, so everything is the light gold except for the rose and vine, or the heart and vine, and that one likes to be like a coppery. Oh wait, no, this one is kind of that coppery too. So that is everything swatched out, and one more pass with the 5mm. So very pretty set. I love how it all kind of works together. The colors are gorgeous. Most of it's very neutral in my opinion, so you could use it, you know, for lots of different things. Okay, so next is the sticker kit and seals. So that all came in this cute little pocket. We did get one of these pockets in a previous sub box, and what I did, I punched holes in it for my planner, and I just used a regular hole punch. It was a little difficult to get through it, but you know, you just kind of keep working at it. So I do use the other one that I got in my planner to kind of, you know, as a pocket to hold things like this. So the sticker kit this month. Now I noticed when I did open it, all the stickers, of course, were in a cello like they normally are. But I had an extra sheet on top of that, and I wasn't 100% sure what that meant. And then once I started looking at it, I figured it out pretty quickly. So the kit is only 2 sheets, but we did get the extra sheet. And the reasoning why is this, of course, is a oops. So we have a corrected sheet, and it says happily ever after on top of the book. And if you can see this one, it's just like kind of a mess up of the title. So I'm trying to show you like up close. There we go. So you can see the difference between the two right there. And obviously this was not correct. So let me put that to the side. And it was nice of them to go ahead and include the corrected one in the package. So here we have, okay, let's do this. Page 1, you've got 2 sets of date covers. You've got full boxes right here. You've got some headers, checklist, some icons, and some bows. And then on this page, you have another set of date covers. You've got some more full boxes. This, I believe, is headers. Some deco right here, more full boxes, and some flags with icons. So this is the kit. The third little small page that we get includes half boxes, another full box, and some deco. So that is the third page to the kit. We also have some icons in that pretty blue color. And we have the date dots in a very neutral kind of beigey color, and everything is foil gold. And these are cut into hearts as well as the icons. And then here are the bow seals that come every month that match the kit. So these are all the stickers that we get in the kit, and actually we have a few extra because we had this oops sheet in the box. So you actually have a few extra in there as well. So that was all the stickers that came in the kit. The next item is the Deluxe stationery pouch. So this is the pouch that I was talking about that came in the box that I was going to go ahead and explain in detail a little bit better once we got to it. So it's got a zipper. Sorry. Okay, it's got a zipper. It's got a gold zipper on here, gold hardware. It's got this pretty gold bow right here. And when you open it, it opens like this, pretty wide. I would say that this is probably around a B6 size. It might be a little larger than that, but it's got these pockets right here. It's got a large pocket right here with kind of the little heart window. On this side, it's got this cute little clear pouch that you can take out. So it just kind of snaps in like that. So you can use it if you need it. If not, you can pull it out. This page has little elastics to put your pins in. Same thing on this side, and this pouch actually comes out as well. So you have these two items that just snap into these little tabs right here, and then of course this is the back of the pouch. So I mean, you could use this many different ways. It's easy to snap these items back in or take them out depending on what you want to use it for. And then the back of the thing is just plain. It's just this kind of a, it's not like white. It's, I guess, kind of an off-white, an antique white. And then, you know, everything else matches inside of it. So this would be a really great like traveling pouch. I know anytime I travel, I bring my planner with me. I like to mark down the things that we did on that day, you know, if we're out on vacation or whatever. So this would be a great travel pouch to carry all of your stuff in, or an everyday pouch if you like to go ahead and just shove this in your bag. You've got all the supplies that you would need to go ahead and, you know, keep track with your planner. So that is the stationery pouch. The next thing we have is the stitched notebook. And this one, I actually really love this one. So you've got all the floral, bow, heart, and the flourishes going around. The back is the same. Normally these are dot grid. I do use these, but I don't open them until I'm ready to use it, but normally it's dot grid. This is a B6 size, and it's stitched on the binding right here. Great little notebooks to just throw in your purse if you don't carry, you know, your planner, anything like that around. I use these actually like to food journal and things like that. So they're actually just very useful. They're really thin. So if you just need something to just jot stuff down on the go, this is a really great item to use. Okay, the next thing is the engraved gel pen. And this is the pen. We get a pen every month. This one has gold hardware. It's got the bow on the bottom of the pen. Here you've got this Simply Gilded on the clip, and always, let's see, I'm trying to get it. There you go. You can see the bow on top. These are a nice heavy weight as usual. It is a gel pen, so when you're ready to use it, you just take this little bead of wax or whatever this is off, and it's ready to use. So yeah, that is the pen for this month. The next thing is the canvas bag, the large canvas bag, which I went over at the very beginning. Then after that, we have a heart-shaped bookmark. So it's like a little faux leather. It's probably like a vegan leather little bookmark. And what you do is you put this like on the corner of the page, and it will hold your place. So let me see. Now I can just do it on this. I mean, I don't have a book handy right here, but you know, you're reading and then you are ready to stop reading. So you put this like this, close the book, and then this will hold your place for you. You just put it at the corner. That's actually a very cute little idea right here. Okay, the last item before the mystery item is the vegan clip, bow clip. So this can be put on the bottom of the, not the bottom, the zipper of the pouch, and it would go on like this. So you would have almost like a little keychain or whatever hanging from your pouch. If you wanted that, you could put it on your keys as a keychain. It's got this really nice, very well made little clip right here. It's not little, it's actually a large clip. So you can clip it on your purse, you can clip it on just about anything, but I do think it's really cute clipped on here. It just makes it a little bit more feminine, you know, when you're walking around and you have the little bow clip hanging down. So that is everything that came in the box minus the mystery item. I'm going to go ahead and do the mystery item next. So if you don't want to be spoiled, please go ahead and click out now, and I will catch you in my next video. For those of you that do want to see the mystery item, it is a gold jelly roll pen. Now, let me say this. I know a lot of people are probably going to be upset about a jelly roll pen. Various groups, you know, Facebook groups that I'm in and some Instagram posts and things like that get kind of upset when they get a jelly roll pen. Personally, I love these pens. I use them to write little notes on orders from my shop, and it just makes, you know, a nice little presentation because it is kind of glittery. Let me see if I have something. As you know, so the extra item is just a mystery item, and it's just a little bit something extra that Irene throws into the kits. It's not necessary. There you go. You can kind of see how, I don't know if I can see the glitter. Let me see. I'm trying to get it to where you can see the glitter. I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but it does have like a shimmery ink on it. Back to what I was saying. I know a lot of people get upset about these jelly roll pens being the mystery item, but you know, it's just an extra item that she throws in. She's not obligated to do it. And so it's just a nice little sassy, you know, for that, just a little extra that we get in the box. It's, you know, it doesn't have to be something of great value. It's just a little extra. And I don't think anyone should, you know, I guess judge the box on the mystery item. Of course, you know, that's my opinion. Everyone has their own opinions, and I mean, everyone's entitled to their opinions. My opinion is that I use these a lot. It's a consumable, so you know, when I run out of one, I just grab another one. I have several of them now, especially since Irene has been putting them in the box. It's just a useful item to me. I know a lot of people don't find them useful or already have them. But again, you know, everyone's entitled to their own opinion. But mine is that it's just a little extra item. So I'm never going to get upset about Irene throwing just a little something extra in there. Okay, so let me go ahead and put everything out so you can see it, and I can also get a cute picture for my YouTube. And let's see, I love these little, my mind's blanking, pockets, you know, that look so cute in the, in my planner. And then let's see, we've got this, and I'll put this right here. We also have the journaling card that I can put right here. And we've got the bag. Let me do this maybe. Let's see, I kind of want to put it where you can see. Well, that's not working either. And then last but not least, I almost dropped all my washi. I thought I was grabbing it at a good spot, and I wasn't. So here's all the washi that went with the box. Let's see there. There we go. And here's the other one. So maybe I can do this. I'm just trying to get it to where, let's see. Let me rearrange this just a second. Okay, so this is everything minus the mystery item that came in the Luminous Library box. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I hope you enjoy everything that came in this box this month. I hope you liked the mystery item, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.